Our world is becoming increasingly more interconnected, allowing us to experience cultures, ideas, and opportunities from across the globe like never before. However, this wave of globalization also risks overshadowing the unique local identities and traditions that have defined communities for generations. As we explore the impacts of globalization, we must ask ourselves, how can we embrace the advantages of this global era while still preserving a sense of local pride and commitment to the place we call home? Finding the right balance between a global mindset and local mindedness is crucial.
Let's dive into how Sagay City and San deals with this balance.
Nestled in the northern coastline of Negros Occidental, Sagay City is the hidden gem brimming without natural wonder, rich culture, tradition, and warm hospitality. Sagay's crowd jewels is the Sagay Marine Reserve, a 32 hectares productive area that serves a heaven of diverse marine life. This reserve encompasses breathtaking sites like a carbon reef, panel reef, maca reef, and maca zone.
Aptly known as the Garden City of the North, Sagay hosts the Bayan Siligayan Festival, a celebration that showcases the rich cultural heritage through captivating music, dance, and colorful costumes. This lively event is the vibrant expression of the Sagay North tribes and unity, bringing together the community in a joyous display of tradition. Now, to visit the Sagay would be complete without indulging in its rich and flavorful seafood. From grilled fish to mouth-watering shrimp, beaches, the local gossip reflect the city coastal location and offer a delightful culinary experience.
Siyempre kay diri ko na to, diri ko na tao kong pamilya, akon mga kaluluwan diri ko na tao. Muna palanggaon lang sa gayud diri na tao.
The State University of Northern Negros, or SAN, stand as an educational beacon or driving force in the development of Sagay City. The State University of Northern Negros offers diverse academic programs while preserving local cultures through research, events, and students' involvement. Its outreach initiatives address community needs. SAN prioritizes research excellence, driving sustainable progress. Vocational training develops workforce expertise, boosting key industries by championing environmental efforts and business partnerships. SAN is integral to Sagay's educational and sustainable development.
Globalization has increased interconnectivity of economics, cultures, and populations worldwide, leading to economic growth and exchange of ideas across borders. However, it challenges local communities aiming to maintain their unique traditions and identities. It is vital to thoughtfully manage globalization's impact while respecting and preserving the rich cultural heritage that define communities, even as the world becomes more interconnected. Finding this balance allows progress without sacrificing cherished local values and long-standing practices passed down from generations. Globalization has profoundly impacted Sagay City, bringing significant changes that presented both opportunities and challenges for the local community. Economically, it has opened new markets for local agriculture, handicrafts, and seafood products, while fueling a booming tourism industry centered on the city's natural attractions, generating jobs and income. Technologically, the internet and modern agricultural practices have connected Sagay globally, while boosting productivity. Culturally, the city has become more diverse through interactions with people worldwide and international education partnership broadening leadership. Environmental awareness aligned with global movements has driven local conservation efforts to protect ecosystem and biodiversity. However, globalization has disrupted the local traditions due to the increase of competition, changing consumer taste and environmental pressures. Sagay City faces continual challenges balancing the advantages of the modernity brought by globalization while preserving the unique heritage, ensuring sustainable development.
Tulad ko, mangayo ko kwarta, pengi akong extra, gawin niya ma-transfer ko. In a minute of time, makukuha ko na yung pera. Through bank. Transfer lang siya, pipindot na siya sa cellphone, na-transfer na sa akin ang pera. Yun ang meaning ng globalization, di ba?
Vibrant cultural festivals like Sinigayan and craft workshops celebrate Sagay's heritage, fostering appreciations among locals and global visitors. The city champions sustainable agriculture through organic farming training for food security and promoting community gardens, strengthening neighborhood bonds. Technological progress is balanced as entrepreneurs sell local products globally via e-commerce, while digital literacy programs powerful all ages to explore online opportunities respectfully.
Climate resilience efforts include mangrove reforestation, involving residents and partnering with global organizations on disaster. Preparedness system through sustainable tourism, cultural pride, green incentives, and thoughtful tech integration. Sagay deeply balance the modern with traditional, providing progress and cherish local value. Can indeed coexist. This city community-driven approach serves as model for embracing globalization potential while firstly protecting one's identity and roots.
In our globalized world, cultivating a global vision that blends global outlook with deep local identity is key. A global mindset exposes diverse cultures, while local-mindedness anchors unique heritage. Sagay City exemplifies this balance by embracing sustainable tourism while fiercely preserving indigenous celebration while conservating efforts. The State University equips students with global knowledge while staying rooted with its local values. This local vision allows progress alongside cultural preservation, enabling communities to adapt globally while celebrating distinct local identities. Join the conversation on striking the delicate balance between globalization and preserving local heritage. Share your perspective as a Gainan on how communities worldwide can thoughtfully adapt to our interconnected era while safeguarding the cherished traditions and identities. Together, we can crowdsource innovative ideas that allow progress and cultural preservation to harmoniously coexist. Lend your voice to this crucial dialogue, shaping the global vision for our shared future.